Hello and welcome to Colleague 7's Sprint Plan for 18.07.03. This will cover the work undertaken between the 24th of July to the 6th of August. Starting with our sprint goal, and for this sprint we're looking to implement background tasks to manage email logging and OneDrive checks, whilst reviewing solutions for notifications and GDPR updates. We're also beginning the first phase of a project which will deliver a panel to help offer a summarised overview of record data when working within search results. For X users of version 6, this is called the summary view. Looking at the high level items and to explain further, in this sprint we're planning to put in place background tasks to handle email logging and other key functions. As part of this, users should experience improvements in performance and will also be able to error handle these functions better with a view to further enhancements. We're starting a project which will span several sprints to put in place the summary view. This feature allows you to review records within search results, so you'll be able to use the panel which will give you access to details about the record without having to open it. The first phase will introduce admin and user settings, which won't be of much use in the short term, but future stages will introduce the panel itself and then the feature will become available. We've received reports that the option to email an error log to our support team will often fail, so we'll be going to be working on this area to ensure that it works as expected. Some further refinement work is going to be done on the GDPR notifications. We're going to fix an issue where the font of a document is retained when you're creating a docx file. We're going to update the email signature editor so that it supports highlighting an image and assigning a hyperlink to a web page. We'll be adding the option to delete a document from a checklist item and also track when and who deletes a document from the system. An issue with the diary not displaying correctly over several days will be fixed. And we'll be applying some performance improvements to the bulk emailing and GDPR checking mechanism. As always, if you have any queries or feedback, please get in touch. I'll be keen to hear from you. Also, for those using Colleague 7, feel free to submit your enhancement requests via the support team or directly to me using the above email address. The next video will be the sprint review based on this development sprint, and as part of that I'll include some quick demonstrations on the new functionality that's been added. Thanks for watching.